Two killed in Portland as the parish record 3 murders since the start of 2025. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Portland police were kept busy during the last 24 hours as they investigate 2 murders which pushed the number of homicides committed in the parish to 3 since the start of the year. Late Sunday evening at Windsor Forest in the parish, 2 Haitian male nationals reportedly got into a fight. During the fight, one allegedly punched the other, who fell to the ground and hit his head. He was taken to the Port Antonio hospital where he died Monday morning while undergoing treatment. The other incident reportedly occurred on Monday at a garage located on Folly Road in Port Antonio. The police report that at around 4:30 p.m., O'Shane Reed, who works at a garage, was effecting repairs to a motor vehicle when he was approached by a man who inquired about a used bumper for a Toyota Axia motor car. Shortly after, loud explosions were heard and Reed was seen lying face down in a pool of blood. Closer inspection revealed that he was shot in the upper part of the body. He was taken to the Port Antonio hospital where he was pronounced dead. The alleged shooter escaped on foot in the area. The first murder in the parish for the year occurred in Buff Bay late January. Portland, once regarded as the safest parish on the island, is currently behind Manchester, St. Elizabeth and Trelawney, where either one or no murders have been recorded since the start of the year. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.